Hello, my crafty friends. It's Nikki again, and I wanted to get on and show you a card that I made that I'm going to recreate. This is going to be for my middle granddaughter. Her birthday is coming up in August, and she loves mermaids. Who doesn't? And this was made with the My Monthly Hero, May of 2017. It's hard to believe it's been that long. But here's the die set for the stamps, and here's the dies. And then I also, along the way, I bought a couple more stamp sets with the same theme. So I have plenty of sentiments. Okay. And I'm also going to be using the fancy die, the reef die. And this is really fun how you can use this. And I used it the same way on both cards. I used the inside and the circle to make this. And then I just used the circle to cut the pattern paper to fit perfectly. And I'm going to do the same thing here with this card I'm going to make, but it's going to be paper pieced in. So let's get started. Okay, so I did most of the cutting off camera. And I happen to have a couple of these die cuts already done. They were in an envelope attached to the kit. So I said, yay, I did something. All right, so we have, they're different, but similar enough that we're going to make another card. All right. And I wanted to show you the paper that I used to cut out the sea plants is just the back of pattern paper that I've had forever. Okay. And then I cut a starfish out of purple glitter paper to kind of match her outfit. Okay. And I also brought in some Nuo drops. I've got the Morning Dew, which is clear, and then I've got White Blizzard and Glossy White. And then the Duck Egg Blue. I don't know which one I'm going to use right at the moment, but we'll figure that out as we go. Okay. So let's go ahead. And I'm going to take this piece that I used for this card, and I'm going to use it on this card I'm making now. So I'm going to put the pattern paper behind. I don't think it's going to match. Just barely. Nope. I'm going to have to cut another piece of pattern paper. Okay. I went ahead and cut out another piece of pattern paper off camera. So I'm going to glue that on. Didn't cut this too evenly to begin with. Right, let's put the pattern paper on. Glue, you have a little bit of wiggle room. Okay, and I wanted, it kind of looks like mermaid scales, but yet if you turn it this way, it looks like waves. So that's what I did there. I'm going to piece in this. So I have two different colors going on here. I think that's kind of pretty. By the way, this is part of my stash busting series about using old card kits, dies, and other supplies. But I'm also doing this as part of a card a day in July with Call Me Crafty Al. Okay, so there's that. Press that in really well. Okay, hopefully it doesn't get too lost in there. That was the idea. Okay. And we're going to pop up our little mermaid. We're going to glue the fish in. So let's place her so we know where to put the fish. I did two, an orange one and a, I'm picking the blue one, but you can tell me what you thought would look better here, the orange one or the blue one. Okay, we're going to pop up our little mermaid. Oh, let's glue down our, I'll go ahead and pop her up, but then I'm going to glue down my seagrass here. I know she's sitting on a rock, so we'll have her sitting over here toward the end of the card. They have rocks at the bottom of the ocean too. Okay. Okay, so that's ready to go. I want to go ahead and glue my pieces. What I use is a sponge. I put some glue on the sponge when I have some really intricate or delicate pieces, like this pattern paper. And I'll just take a scrap. This is my envelope. I kept everything in. Let's go ahead and dot it on. Many, many times I've done this on the mat that I was working on, and then something else ended up sticking. So I kind of learned my lesson there. Here's one. It's always a good idea to lay something over it for a minute. Okay. More glue on the sponge. There's a new product out, a glue sponge, that you can just lay it on. I have not tried that yet. I don't think I will, because so far this is working for me. I mean, it would It would help with the issue of getting glue everywhere. That is for certain. Neighbors walking outside. Okay, we're going to place her right over the right about there. And my purple starfish. We'll use some of the glue all over the envelope and place it right there. And then we will put our little fish down. Right about here. So get a nice little focal point. Now I'm going to use the clear drops for bubbles that he's breathing out. Now these dry clear, but you'll still be able to see them. And then, let's see, we can use either the rhinestones or, no, that's a little bit too blue. We can use rhinestones or the duck egg blue to tie in. Okay. So there's that card front. I will be putting it on a white card base. And after the Nouveau drops dry, I may have to do a little bit of trimming around the sides. And I will put the sentiment right here. And I will pop that up also. But there's my card. It's similar to the one I just made. So thank you very much for joining me, and thank you, Alicia, for putting out this 1 card a day challenge. I hope I'm up to the task. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Thank you for my subscribers. I appreciate it so very much. You're joining me today. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.